This is an introduction video of the project Dual Wiimote System with Applications. The project is being done by Feng Xuechen under the supervision of Professor Alvin Chen from the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. The system uses two Wiimotes as input devices. For each Wiimote, it captures the X and Y value for different infrared light sources. And then the system uses two sets of inputs to generate the three-dimensional X, Y, and Z value for LED light sources in the space. This is a picture of the system. As you can see, there are two Wiimotes located parallel with each other. The system could support at most 4 infrared LEDs at the same time. The LEDs is used for the movement gesture recognition. The system is implemented into the Wiimote 3D point library. The library is written in C# programming language and built upon the Wiimote lib. The library could be used by upper layer applications for the human-computer interaction purpose. Here are several interesting videos of the applications that have been developed using the Wiimote 3D libraries. The first applications put the single infrared LEDs on the user's glasses. In this way, the user is able to move the mouse cursor without using the real mouse. The system is extremely useful under the situation where the user may not be able to move their hands, for example, the handicapped people. As you can see, after the initialization, the user is able to control the mouse by looking at different directions. For example, if the user wants to move the mouse to the left, he just needs to looking at the left direction. And if the user wants to generate a mouse left click, he just needs to lean it a little bit forward. And here is a demonstration of user using this software to browse the internet. By coordinating with other Windows platform built-in application, this program could achieve more than just mouse control. As shown in the video, by using the Windows built-in virtual keypad application and this software simultaneously, the user is able to generate all the keyboard strokes to the system by just moving their head. By using this application, the handicapped people is able to generate all the basic input functions to the system by just moving their heads. The second application is called Dual LED Virtual Keypad. This application uses two LEDs to set up a virtual keyframe on the space in front of the user. Then the user could use the imaginary screen just as the real touch screen. After setting up the virtual frame, the user is able to operate on the imaginary virtual touchpad, and the system would correspond just as the user is operating on the physical touchpad.
操，自动往右调了已经。
And here's another video showing the user draws hello. The third application is called Virtual Steering Wheel Driving Simulator. This application allows the users to operate on an imaginary steering wheel, and it could coordinate with all the Windows platform driving simulator or games and generates amazing effect. The user is using the system to play an online racing game. By turning the virtual steering wheel, the user is able to control the movement of the vehicle. The user turn left, the vehicle turn left. The user turn right, the vehicle turn right. And if the user is pushing the virtual steering wheel forward, the car will move forward. This is my project, and thank you for your time.